After a long day of work and saving the world, Superman decides to take some rest. Lois is already sleeping, so Clark joins her and quickly falls asleep. But from the shadow, something is looking at him. Then the pennon jumps into a distant future. In this dream, Superman has become the dictator, ruling everyone with an iron fist. Corruptions are everywhere, people are starving, and those who don't have enough money to sustain the day, their lives are taken out by the corrupted Justice League. Seeing the horror, Clark quickly wakes up, so to freshen up his mind, he goes outside to grab ice cream and pickles for Lois. At the store, Clark is still thinking about that weird dream, and suddenly he lashes out and destroying everything. In that moment, Zatanna shows up in her astral form, but Clark can see her and he believes this is a dream. That's why he is able to see her. Zatanna tries to explain something, but Superman blows her away, and as he arrives outside, he sees Lex Luthor is attacking the city with a giant robot. Superman has had enough. He is tired of this dream and Luthor, so in rage, he speeds through Luthor's head that also penetrates the giant robot, and right after that, Brainiac appears, and with a powerful collapse, he destroys Brainiac into pieces. But after dealing with him, Superman is now confronted with every major villains like Doomsday, Darkseid, Parasite, and many more. They all jump on him, but Superman can't take it anymore. Driven by rage and anger, he begins to slaughter everyone. After finishing the villains, Superman then hears Jimmy's signal watch. He approaches towards him, but instead of helping Jimmy, Superman tells him how annoying the signal watch is. It hurts his head, and without any hesitation, he blows out Jimmy's head with a powerful whistle. Petey tries to approach Superman, but he also gets killed with a laser beam. He destroys the apartment with Lois inside. After dealing with them, Superman then goes to Washington, destroying the Lincoln Monument. He puts the chair into space and watching the Earth from the above. The governments launch missiles to take out Superman, but he destroys them easily, and then he arrives to Smallville and descends into hell, where he encounters a demon that reveals it is not a dream. And then he tells him a story. When Krypton was destroyed, the Hell of Krypton also destroyed too, but a small demon managed to escape the hell and grab the Superman's rocket, and together they came to Earth. The Lords of Hell gave him the power to corrupt Superman, and suddenly the demon jumps on Superman and corrupts his body and mind. The demon thinks Superman is finished, but then a punch shatters out of the demon shell and Superman emerges. The demon is confused as how he is alive, so Superman tells him the Phantom Stranger divided his soul, creating a false outer shell, weak and corruptible, so the demon can take it, while his true soul is remains safe and clean inside. He reminds the demon and the Lords of Hell that no one can corrupt him. Failing the job, the Lords of Hell kill the demon and Superman arrives in the real world. But in hell, the demon is still alive. So which part you like the most? Please let me know on the comment section down below. And please like this video and do subscribe, as this will motivate me to make more contents. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone stay safe and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.